A major food safety crackdown has been carried out across Bengaluru. Authorities have conducted surprise inspections at major food storage facilities supplying hotels and caterers across the city. The inspections have raised concerns over food storage and quality standards. Here is what officials found during the raids. The Food Safety Wing of the Health and Family Welfare Department conducted surprise inspections at major food storage facilities across Bengaluru urban district on August 8th. The inspections were carried out under the guidance of Health Minister UT Khader with 30 teams of designated officers and food safety officers taking part in the operation. The teams inspected warehouses supplying meat, fish and packaged food to leading national and international hotels and caterers across Bengaluru. The inspection drive specifically covered Coldman Logistics Private Limited and Radhakrishna Foodland Limited, both major suppliers to reputed hotel chains. Officials checked the storage practices, quality standards and safety measures at these facilities to ensure compliance with the Food Safety and Standards Act 2006 and the Food Safety and Standards Rules 2011. During inspections at Coldman Logistics Private Limited and Radhakrishna Foodland Limited, officials found approximately 70 kilograms of soy sauce and various other sauces nearing their expiry dates. These products were seized and confiscated. The teams also collected 5 meat samples and 13 other food supplies which were sent for analysis. In addition, approximately 10 liters of various beverages were seized and confiscated. These included strawberry-flavored beverages and other drinks nearing their expiry dates. Officials said the seized products were confiscated on the spot to prevent potentially unsafe or unsuitable products from entering the market. The Commissioner of the Food Safety and Drug Administration stated that legal proceedings would be initiated against food business operators found violating the Food Safety and Standards Act 2006 and its rules. The inspections are part of the department's efforts to monitor food storage facilities and ensure that products supplied to hotels and caterers meet the required safety and quality standards. So viewers, what's your opinion on this? Share your thoughts in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.